Hey fam, how's everybody doing? Good. You know guys, I was finna make some stovetop candied yams. So I just want to show you guys how I'm gonna make this stovetop candied yams. Now I already have some potatoes already cut. Sweet potatoes or yams as you might want to call it. I already have them cut. And you don't want them too thick and you don't want them too thin. You guys, can you check that out? Not too thick and not too thin. So let me show you guys right here how I'm gonna cut this yam up. I just want to go in here and then medium thin slice my yam. Just like that. Now this one is a little wide, so I'm just gonna shimmer. You know what? I'll switch knives. A little bit off and put them in there. So this is an easy go-to recipe when you're in the mood for yams or sweet potatoes. You know, you can always depend on this recipe. So fam, I have the heat on medium high. I have the heat on medium high. I already preheated. And I'm just going to add me a little water in here. Just a little, right? Maybe a half a cup, you could say. And I'm going to layer my sweet potatoes into the pan. Now, I'm going to layer them. Now, this is easy. You could do it any way you like. Some people just throw them in there. I want to layer them so I can show you guys how easy it really is to make yams or sweet potatoes. Just like that. Just layer them. It don't matter how you do it. Okay, so I got the first layer in there. Now I want to make sure I have plenty room. Let's put the seasonings on. So we're gonna use a little cinnamon, right? Ground cinnamon. We're gonna put some vanilla, fruit drops. And we're going to put some nutmeg. Now, we don't need much of the nutmeg, but I like it in sweet potato pies and all of that as well. Just a sprinkle. And we're going to add up some brown sugar, you guys. Brown sugar. Let me get this off the stove. Now, I did notice my brown sugar trying to clump up, right? So I said, I got to use it, right? Now, this is a great recipe for quick yams for your holiday, especially Easter, with its fast approaching, right? We're going to do it just like that. And we're going to add us some butter. Let me rinse my hand. Okay, we're back. Let's add some butter. Okay, let's spread it around. Just like that. That's enough butter for right now. We're going to put our potatoes on in here again. And we're going to repeat the process, right? Repeat the process. We only have a couple of more. And we're just going to fit them in here. Just like that. And that's all our yams, right? We're going to put some more brown sugar. How sweet do you like your yams? If you're a first time viewer, thumbs to straight up subscribe to the channel. And yes, come join your girl. I would love to meet you. I think this is good enough as far as the sweetness is concerned. We don't want to be too sweet. Too sweet. But yeah, we're going to repeat the process. Just like that. A little more vanilla. If you're a first time viewer, thank you. If you're new to the channel, I hope the channel is good enough for you to subscribe. And share this video out with everyone. And we're going to put some little more nutmeg. That's enough. And this is how we're going to make our good candied yams. We're going to put some more butter. Right? Well, we're using margarine. I said butter. But anywho, gonna make sure it's all around here. Right? Just like that. We're gonna divide this too. So we use 1 stick of margarine. And there we have it. Now we're gonna let this cook until it comes together. Let me put a lid on it. And we're gonna cover it up just like that. And we're gonna let it cook. And we will show you the end results. There you have it, you guys. Some easy stove top yams. As you can see, the glaze is glazing. Okay. This is the way I like my yams, you guys. So, turn your stove off because you have come to a completion. Now, this is a great recipe to share with your friends and your family. Not despite the little bitty pieces, okay? But anyway, you will enjoy this recipe, guys, that I have for you. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a bowl for you guys. Going to go ahead and put it in a bowl for you guys. So you can see the glaze action. Okay. I don't think. Yes, you guys, check out these yams. So delicious. So if you want yams like this, you better come on and hit this video. So sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye. Oh, there go the grandbabies back.